Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up your video to have the appropriate aspect ratio for Instagram Reels within Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get right into it. I'll be using this online post simply because I'm having trouble with Adobe. I can't install Adobe Premiere no matter what I do on my device, so I'll have to use this as a supplement. Now, what you're going to want to do, this guide specifies that you need to create your sequence. You can create your sequence or add an already existing video, an already existing clip, and then you can change it through the settings. But once you're adding your sequence or adding a video, you can select a 1080p preset simply because Instagram does not support anything above 1080p. You can select up to 30 fps since well, you can select 60 fps videos. Pretty sure Instagram does allow for that. However, if you want above 30, you're going to need to go into the settings panel, which you're going to need anyway. So within the settings panel, as you can see, you'll see your frame size. Now for 1080p, that's 1920 by 1080 pixels. What you're going to want to do is just switch these two in between, since Instagram is in a vertical 1080p resolution, such as many other different social media apps, but Instagram specifically is 1080 by 1920 horizontal, or by 1080 horizontal by 1920 vertical, which is also known as a vertical 16 by 9 or a 9 by 16. And once you set that, then your video will be in the correct aspect ratio for the Instagram Reels. Here you can also change any other settings you might want, but if you just want to set the frame as the specific size for Instagram, 1080 by 1920 or 9 by 16, that's the aspect ratio you want. You can change it within Adobe Premiere Pro in the settings panel. You can change it in any editing software you want, but this is specifically for Adobe. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.